SLS Cancun Hotel and Spa. Featuring 45 rooms, SLS Cancun Hotel and Spa is located in the gated community of Novo Cancun. It features 250 meters of beachfront, a private beach club, an 18-hole Tom Weiskopf-designed golf course, a private marina with 175 boat slips, 4,500 square meters of shopping with over 100 stores and boutiques, and a variety of restaurants and entertainment including 16 cinemas. Leynia Restaurant by Chef José Icardi is an Argentinian grill inspired by flavors from Japan. There are tableside food and drink presentations served from roaming bicycles. This smoke-free hotel features a full spa, a private beach and a restaurant. You can enjoy free Wi-Fi in public areas and free valet parking. You'll also find an outdoor pool, a bar, lounge, and a beach bar. The 45 soundproofed rooms have free Wi-Fi and minibars. Functional amenities include a seating area and tea and coffee making facilities, along with nice extras like bathrobes and slippers.